mean, it was just 2 or 3 basic questions, and she ran away. Finally. Finally.
You need to leave because you're harassing them?
Harassing is a physical thing.
Come on.
I don't think I have to leave because I'm not breaking the law, sir. Can you get one of the attorneys out here?
They don't want to talk to you, ma'am. You need to leave.
I haven't even, because of a camera? Because of a camera? It's not going to look very good if an attorney advised you this. Okay, guys. Finally able to put this video back up. This is a video from Christmas time that I've been fighting with the people that are in it about privacy issues. So it took me 7 months to get through it. It's up, and now I'm going to show it. It was up for a couple days and it got like 2,000 views, so hopefully it'll get a little more this time since it's going to stay up, I hope. But if you could really help me, you could, if you want to learn how to redress your government, well, all you got to do is this. Because people, they want to redress, but they don't know what to say. So here's what you can say. You can say this. Yeah, I was watching a video, and it was from Christmas time, and I'm just wondering, has your policy changed since then? Are people allowed to bring cameras into your courthouse now? Can they bring them into your office now? There you go. That's all you have to do. So leave me a comment. Tell me what they said after you called them, and I'll see you in the comments. Thanks, guys. This is the Hood County Law Enforcement Center in Granbury, Texas, and I was here to exercise my First Amendment rights to promote transparency and accountability, and just to see if they would respect me and the First Amendment. Well, wait till you see what happens. Hi. How are you? Okay. I'm going to beep because I have on
What are you looking for?
District Attorney's Office.
Go down the only other hallway, take a right, first office on the left.
How come this place is so big? Go down the hallway, I said.
To the next hallway, the only other hallway in the building. Take a right, first office on the left.
Thank you. Huge building. Somebody's following me! Are you talking to me? Or are you talking to them? Me? I told you when I came in what I was looking for. How could you forget? It was only 5 minutes ago. You told me even which way to go, the hallway, everything. Do you remember?
No, ma'am, I forgot where you're supposed to.
You told me it's the only hallway, like I was stupid.
No,
Remember? And you said turn right, and it'd be what door on the left?
I don't remember.
That's pretty dumb. District Attorney's Office. Hello?
Okay,
So are you my babysitter?
no, ma'am, I'm texting somebody.
Oh. Okay, it's a moment of truth. Let's see if they respect me and if they respect the First Amendment. This office is ran by Ryan Sinclair, and he swore to uphold the Constitution. But if he disregards it and throws me out, then we will know that we have a tyrant here in Hood County. Hi, how are you? Okay, so I have a question. Okay, so my question is, you have 189 people in jail, right? You do. And I was wondering what the average time is for each person to come to court. I'm fixing to.
You don't give you permission to record me.
You look good. You look good.
I don't know why
But
you
I-
want to record me.
So I can remember the answers you're giving me. So just yeah.
I don't feel comfortable.
Okay. Well, you can just stay on the picture. I just need the answers to my question. Okay. So the question was It's just some basic questions that I couldn't find online. I was looking online, but I couldn't find them.
Who are you?
Huh?
Who are you?
I didn't say.
She didn't say. I'm not gonna answer anything or let you record me.
Well, that's kind of. But you look good. You look good. She looks good. Let her come answer the question. So they're talking about me right behind this door. She said to call security. But these are attorneys. They should know better than that. So they're right around the corner right here talking about me. I mean, hey, aren't you guys like attorneys here? I mean, don't you know the law?
I mean, I'm a legal secretary. I'm not an
Okay, so you must have some attorneys in there. I can film in public. I mean, you should go. Why don't you go ask one of the attorneys if it's against the law to film in here? I mean, you have like a whole lot of attorneys in there. Ask them. It's called the First Amendment. It's the easy one. They probably learned it when they were a freshman. I mean, just go ask one of the attorneys. Then you won't feel so stupid. You do have attorneys back there, right? With degrees?
Do you have it, what is it in reference to?
I just had some basic questions about the amount of time it takes for the prisoners to come to court. That's all. Wow. So rude. I mean, you guys are public servants. I mean, there's no expectation of privacy in public. Yeah, but you guys are public servants. You are. You get who signs your paycheck? It's called the First Amendment. Hello, I can hear you.
I'm just talking to a public servant.
Because if you don't want to be filmed, go work in the private sector. I mean, it was just 2 or 3 basic questions and she ran away. Finally. Finally.
You need to leave because you're harassing them.
Harassing is a
Yes,
physical
ma'am.
thing.
Come on.
I don't think I have to leave because I'm not breaking the law, sir. Can you get one of the attorneys out here?
They don't want to talk to you, ma'am. You need to leave.
I haven't even, because of a camera? Because of a camera? It's not going to look very good if an attorney advised you this. They're still discussing it, mister. Hey, Mr. Security Guy. Did he run away? They're still discussing it. Because it's not against the law to have a camera.
But it is against the law to harass people.
How am I
That's what
harassing
you're doing.
people? Look, it says push button for assistance. I walked up and I asked her a question and she ran. So how's that harassment? That's not harassment, according to the law, according to the elements of the law. But they're still discussing it. I mean, there are attorneys back there, right? Because harassment, you have to physically do something.
You don't have to physically do anything.
But I mean, it's not her-
harassment, not by the state color of the law.
But I didn't harass her. I asked her a question and she ran away. That's not harassment, is it? Can you check? Can you check your statutes?
116, person refusing to leave.
I'm not refusing to leave. I'm asking for
Yes, you are.
clarification.
I'm asking you to
I'm
leave.
asking for clarification
I'm
because
asking you to leave and you're refusing.
I'm
to
asking
leave.
for clarification, and you don't want to give me clarification. Okay. So now what? Now what am I doing here? Wow. They're so rude over here. Hello.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing? So,
Did you get asked to leave there?
well, they're in there discussing it now, like, because I told them it wasn't against the law for me to film, and so now they're in
No,
there.
it's not, it's not. But once they've asked you to leave
Right.
their office
Right.
and you refuse to leave,
Uh-huh.
then you're trespassing after notice.
But it's like, but that's like, you have to be breaking the law to be asked to trespass from a
No, ma'am.
public place.
No,
It's-
you don't.
But yeah, it's,
Their office, they're an elected official.
right?
And that's their office.
Uh-huh.
And they can,
But-
if
but-
you're harassing the staff.
But
then
let me
they
ask you
ask
this.
to leave.
It's a public place.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how can you be trespassed off a public place if you're not breaking the law? Because I just walked in there and asked her a question and she ran away. And I told her, why don't you get an attorney to find this out? So how am I harassing when I ask her, the first question I ask her, she runs? So how's that harassing? I don't know.
I'm not in.
Is there a district attorney's office here? I mean, not district attorney, public defender.
No, ma'am.
office. So they're appointed.
Appointed,
Okay,
right.
that's- so
If
that-
you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you.
Now, was that so
If you-
hard for you to answer? Well, then what was her problem?
No,